Go to Grandpa. Go to Grandpa. Oh, he walks so well in them.
Hey, right there. Huh? Okay, whoa, stop. Just, whoa, okay. Oh, just stop right there. That was a good idea. Go to your mama.
Go to Mama. Hi.
Brandon, you walk so well in those.
It's scary.
It is. Allison, I don't know about this.
Oh, honey.
Fran.
Going up the slide in heels.
Brandon.
Wow.
Fran.
She almost did it, too.
Brandon.
Well, she actually does. She's got one on still.
Hey, Fran.
She's going to put the other one on. Oh, she's just going to throw it down. There we go. That was smart. Oh, and she's apparently going to do the splits down the slide. Yeah, turn around. That's probably safer. Oh. Yeah, say hi.